Nature's color palette has always been a profound source of inspiration for artists, designers, and anyone seeking to connect with the natural world. The colors we see around us can have a significant impact on our emotions, well-being, and even our creative processes. Let's dive in and explore how these natural hues can influence and inspire us. First, let's start with a question. When you think about your favorite natural landscapes, what colors come to mind? Maybe it's the calming blues of the ocean, the rich greens of a forest, or the warm reds and oranges of a sunset. These colors don't just look beautiful, they evoke specific feelings and memories. Consider the color green, which is abundant in nature. Green is often associated with growth, renewal, and life. It's no wonder that spending time in green spaces like parks and forests can help us feel more relaxed and rejuvenated. The psychological effects of green are so powerful that many hospitals and wellness centers use green in their decor to promote healing and tranquility. Now think about the blues of water and sky. Blue is a color that evokes calmness, stability, and peace. Imagine standing by a clear blue lake or looking up at a cloudless sky. The color blue can have a soothing effect on our minds, helping us to feel more at ease and focused. This is why blue is often used in environments where concentration and serenity are desired, such as in offices or meditation spaces. On the other hand, colors like red and orange are more stimulating. These warm hues can evoke feelings of energy, passion, and excitement. Think about the vibrant reds of autumn leaves or the fiery oranges of a sunset. These colors can invigorate us and inspire action. They are perfect for spaces where you want to feel motivated and lively, such as in a gym or a creative studio. Let's also not forget about the earthy tones of browns and beiges. These colors often remind us of stability, reliability, and warmth. They are grounding colors that can make a space feel cozy and inviting. Think about the comfort of a wooden cabin or the warmth of a sandy beach. Earthy tones can help create a sense of security and comfort in our environments. Flowers are another excellent example of nature's brilliant use of color. Flowers use vibrant colors to attract pollinators, which in turn helps them reproduce. This natural attraction to color can be mirrored in our own lives. For example, the bright yellows and pinks of flowers can bring cheer and vibrancy into a space, lifting our spirits and adding a touch of joy to our day. As you think about these examples, consider how you can incorporate the colors of nature into your own life. Perhaps you can bring more green into your home with plants, use calming blues in your workspace, or add vibrant accents of red and orange to energize your living areas. Even small changes can make a significant impact on your mood and well-being. In our next lesson, we'll explore how colors are used in the food and beverage industry to influence our perceptions and choices. We'll look at how color can affect our appetite and how brands use color to make their products more appealing. Until then, I encourage you to spend some time outdoors and observe the natural colors around you. Notice how they make you feel and think about how you can bring some of that natural beauty into your everyday life. See you next time.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.